Hello everyone and welcome back to Blockchain Minute. This is your host Shabor and today I will talk to you about how to use Bootstrap on your Ubuntu device. So let's get started. Last tutorial we ended with an installed Spectre security coin wallet, like such. And now let's synchronize it. As you can see right now it's synchronizing, but we're 7 weeks behind, so let's close it and I will show you how to sync it faster. So to start, just go open up your browser, go on Spectre, spectresecurity.io, click on wallet and official Bootstrap. Now just press on download and save file. Now just press on open. You can close your browser, close tabs, and then here double click on it, extract it to your downloads. We'll have to transfer those somewhere else soon. Now press on quit, and now open a terminal and cd to downloads. In here you can see we have BLK0001, peers, TX level DB, and database. So what you'll want to do is MV for move, then type in BLK. Actually, no, let's do CP RF and then BLK to this little sign right here, the wiggly sign. It should be shift and right above tab where there's the tick is, and then / dot Spectre. You can press tab and then press OK. Now up arrow and erase this, type in database, same thing again, up arrow, and then type in TX level DB, and last one is peers.dat. Alright, now that we have all this in our folder here, you can double click on this. And as you can see now, we're 12 days behind, because that was when the Bootstrap was made, 12 days behind. So as you can see, we went from 7 weeks behind to 12 days behind. So that's it for the Bootstrap. Now as you can see, we're already 4 days behind. We've got a few peers connected, and now we're all synced. So as you can see, it's fastened up the process. So that's it for today's video. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.